Hi friends, today I'm going to give my review of Scam 92. It's a 10 episode series on Sony Live. This series is based on a book by Sucheta Dalal and Debashish Basu. These two journalists broke the Harshad Mehta scam in 1992. When I was watching this series, I couldn't but go back to the time I actually was working at the Dalal Street. In 1996, I was doing my CA articleship, and my office was just bang opposite the Bombay Stock Exchange. And every day I could see the iconic Bombay Stock Exchange building from my office. The Bank of Karad, which Harshad Mehta, because of Harshad Mehta's scam, had to close down, was an iconic stop. And anytime I crossed that place, my colleague would never fail to tell me this is the bank which Harshad Mehta spoiled. Coming back to the series, uh, Bombay Stock Exchange was having a bull run promoted by the dubious ways of Harshad Mehta. He wasn't the only one who was scamming and making benefits out of the system, but it was everyone. But Harshad Mehta became the face of the scam because he was there in the limelight. He was known as the Bachchan of the Dalal Street. But so they say, mighty rise and mighty fall. That's what happened with Harshad Mehta. So this 10-part series takes us from the rise and rise and rise and the eventual fall of Harshad Mehta, and how everything gets transformed from his family to his home. From living in a chawl, he goes to a 15,000 square feet home at Worli. I still remember that iconic picture of Harshad Mehta standing outside I think Samudra Mahal was his building, his residence, with Lexus in his background, the building at the background, and showing himself off. He was the face of Dalal Street. But yes, he was the reason a lot of people lost their lives. I know personally of a person who committed suicide because of the scam that happened of Harshad Mehta. Harshad Mehta is not someone you want to idolize, but it's a story that we all need to learn from. Greed is eventually a greed. It takes you nowhere. You rise and rise, but rise through the right ways. This series is amazing. In 10 part, you never get four. You never won't touch that fast forward button. I enjoyed this series thoroughly. Pratik Gandhi, who plays Harshad Mehta, is absolutely brilliant. You see, he's transformed from someone living in the chawl to someone eventually making a bed, wearing business bespoke suits, and eventually coming losing it all and living in a small. And you see the change of clothes, you see the change of behavior, change of cars. The settings of 1980s and 1990s is perfect. You could actually feel those cities, you could feel those places, and you actually go back to those times. Yeah, excellent star. I think Mukesh Habra, the casting director, has done exemplary job in picking up that cast. From you have Anand Mahadevan as RBI governor, you have Shreya Dhanvantari as Sucheta Dalal, you have Nikhil Dwivedi as Tyagu, the Citibank official, the big bad boy of the money market. So there's characters that are brilliant. You have Satish Kaushik, the Hindi casting Manu Mundra, who's who leaves no words, no sentence are complete without a Hindi cuss word. It's a brilliant series. Go watch it. I'm sure you'll not be disappointed. 45 to 50 minutes each, so it's like a 10 part. It's like a 10-part series. Go and enjoy this. Sony Live. Trust my word. Go and enjoy this and have a brilliant weekday, day because weekends are still 2 days away. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.